Solving rational expressions. Okay, to solve rational expressions, we are going to first make all our non-permissible values, and then we're going to make the denominators the same. So for the first equation, the non-permissible values will be x cannot equal 0. Now we're going to make all our denominators the same, and because 5 and 2 both go into 10, we're going to multiply to get our denominators to be 10x. So on this one, we're going to have to multiply by 5. And on this one, we're going to have to multiply by 2x. And we won't have to multiply the last one at all. So this should simplify to be 5 over 10x minus 4x over 10x, which equals 1 over 10x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything by 10x to get rid of all the denominators. So if you take this whole thing and multiply it by 10x, and this whole thing and multiply it by 10x, we did it to both sides, so it's okay. This will cancel this, and this, and this, and this. So you don't have to show this step, but once your denominators are the same, you can just get rid of them all. So it'll just turn into 5 minus 4x equals 1. That's pretty exciting for some math magic right there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to solve for x. So let's plus 4x to this side, subtract 1, so we should have 4 is equal to 4x, divide by 4, and we get 1 is equal to x. Now we check to make sure it is not our non-permissible value. It's not, so this one works. And to verify, you could plug it in. So our answer is x equals 1. For this one, first find your non-permissible values. X cannot equal 0. Now we're going to multiply. We want everything to be x squared on the bottom. So we'll multiply this equation by x. This one stays the same. And this one by x squared. So we'll be left with 5x plus 6 all over x squared equals 6x squared over x squared. These are going to cancel. So we have 5x plus 6 equals 6x squared. Now because we have a exponent to the power of 2, we're going to have to factor. So we're going to move everything to the other side. So minus 5x minus 6. So we have 0 is equal to 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Now we're going to factor to solve for x. So blank plus blank is equal to negative 5. Blank times blank is equal to negative 36. You should do negative 9 and positive 4. Yes. So we're going to break the terms up. So 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. Split it into two groups. Take out 3x from the first and a 2 from the second. So we should get 3x, 2x minus 3, plus 2, 2x minus 3. So this will turn into 0 equals 3x plus 2, 2x minus 3. So now we'll solve. So either 3x plus 2 equals 0, or 2x minus 3 equals 0. Subtract 2. 3x equals negative 2. Divide by 3. So x is equal to negative 2/3. Or add 3 to both sides, divide by 2. X is equal to 3 over 2. So there are your two answers. Neither of them are our non-permissible value, which is 0, so they both will work. Okay, for this one, first find your non-permissible values. X cannot equal negative 2 or positive 3. Now we're going to multiply. So this side will multiply by x minus 3, and this side will multiply by x plus 2. This will make our denominators the same. So on the top, we will have negative 3x plus 9 over x plus 2, x minus 3. equals 2x squared plus 4x all over x plus 2, x minus 3. And we know that these are going to cancel, so we should be left with negative 3x plus 9 equals 2x squared plus 4x. Now we're going to move it all to one side so we can solve for x. So subtract 9 from both sides and add 3x to both sides. So we'll have 0 is equal to 2x squared, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 7x minus 9. Two numbers that add up to 7 and multiply to get negative 18. It should be positive 9, negative 2. I'm going to do this over here. So we have 0 equals 2x squared minus 2x plus 9x minus 9. Divide this side by 2x and this side by 9. So we should have 2x, x minus 1 plus 9, x minus 1. So 0 is equal to 2x plus 9 and x minus 1. If we solve that, we would get x equals negative 9 over 2, and x is equal to positive 1, because neither of those are non-permissible values. This is our answer. For this one, our non-permissible values are x does not equal 5 or positive 1. Multiply both sides, this side by x minus 1, this side by x minus 5. That's not what I said. X minus 5. There we go. Now we can already instinctively cancel the bottom. They're equal. So on the top, we should have x squared plus 2x minus 2, which is equal to x squared minus 5x. Now we're going to move it all to one side. So we're going to subtract x squared, subtract x, 2 minus 1 is negative 1, positive 1, subtract 1. Let's just go like this. Minus 2x plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so this cancels, so we have 0 is equal to negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. So now we can move the 6x to the other side, so we have 6x is equal to 2, divide by 6, and x is equal to 1/3, because that is not one of our non-permissible values. This is our answer. For this one, we're going to have to factor first. So this is a difference of squares. So we have x plus 3, x minus 3, and over here we have x minus 2, x minus 3. So we know our non-permissible values for x will be x cannot equal 3 or negative 3. Now we have to multiply to make them the same. So on this side, we're going to have to multiply by x plus 3. This makes the bottoms the same. So we have 7x minus 15 is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. We're going to move it all to one side, so we're going to subtract 7x and add 15. So we have 0 is equal to x squared. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Subtract negative 7 is negative 6x. And 15 minus 6 is 9. So now we're going to factor, so blank plus blank is equal to negative 6, and blank times blank is equal to 9. Our two numbers are going to be negative 3 and negative 3. So we have 0 is equal to x minus 3 times x minus 3. Now we're going to solve. So x minus 3 equals 0, so x equals positive 3. This is a non-permissible value, so it does not work. Because there's no other solutions, there is no solutions for this one. Therefore, for this one, our first step is to factor. So So we have blank plus blank equals negative 12, and blank times blank equals 35. Our two numbers should be negative 7 and negative 5. So on the bottom, this becomes negative 10 over x minus 7, x minus 5, equal to, this isn't the right thing, there you go, x over x minus 5. So our non-permissible values are x cannot equal 5 or 7. Now we're going to multiply to make our denominators the same. So this side we're going to multiply by x minus 7, and the other side is fine, so we can cross out the bottom. So we should be left with negative 10 is equal to x squared minus 7x. We're going to add 10 to both sides. So we have 0 is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. We need two numbers that add up to negative 7 and multiply out to get to positive 10. They should be negative 5 and negative 2. So 0 is equal to x minus 5, x minus 2. So x can either equal 5 or x can equal positive 2. Because 5 is one of our non-permissible values, this one does not work. So our answer is x equals 2. For the last example, first we have to factor this side. So blank plus blank is equal to 10, and blank times blank is equal to 24. Our numbers should be 6 and 4. So this will simplify to be x plus 1 over x plus 6 plus x minus 2 over x plus 4 equals 11x plus 32 over x plus 6, x plus 4. Now we find our non-permissible values, so x cannot equal negative 6 or negative 4. We're going to multiply to make our denominators the same, so this side will multiply by x plus 4. This side will multiply by x plus 6. And the last one is good. All of our denominators are the same. Cancel them out. So we should be left with, we're going to distribute, so x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4 plus x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 12, which should equal 11x plus 32. Now we will simplify. So we have x squared plus x squared is 2x squared, 4x plus 1x is 5x, plus 6x is 11x, minus 2 is 9x, and 4 minus 12 is negative 8, and we also have to move these over. So we have minus 11x minus 32 is equal to 0. Simplify again, and we should get 2x squared. 9 minus 11 is negative 2x, and negative 8 minus 32 is negative 40. We can divide everything by 2. So we have x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. We want two numbers that add up to 1 and multiply to get negative 20. Those numbers are 5 and negative 4. Oh, this should be a negative 1, sorry. So positive 4, negative 5. So this should simplify to be x minus 5, x plus 4 equals 0. So either x can equal 5 or x could equal negative 4. Because negative 4 is one of our non-permissible values, our final answer is x equals 5.